Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to review on these shoes. This is from the New Balance, collaborated with the Junya Watanabe, and the base model is Niobium Concept 2, which is designed by Tokyo Design Studio in Japan. So inside you'll see the Japanese New Balance tag, like this. Oh, and I got size US 9. And inside there's the Junya Watanabe man. Like this. And there's a sticker in blue color. Another Comme des Garçons tag. And the Byram's old tag. And also, here's the shoe bag. Okay, here's the shoes. This is all black colorway. And as you can see, they're using Vibram outsole. It says a Mega Grip, so this is Mega Grip Vibram outsole. And the midsole, that you can see it from the another New Balance sneakers, Iero. So they're using same midsole with the Iero model. On the top there's cow leather. On the toe part and the side. On the top there's a two straps with the magnet buckle. And on the back there's a Velcro strap. It says JWC DG Men's, which is Junya Watanabe Comme des Garçons Men. And there's a reflective tape on the back. And there's a one on the toe. And here. And the insole. It says Junya Watanabe Men with the blue color. So this is the one of the unique design from the Tokyo Design Studio. I really like this model. And there's one came out before, which is Niobium Concept 2 collaborated with the Snow Peak. The Snow Peak is the one of the Japanese camping brand. Lots of people say this kind of sandal is really good for camping or maybe hiking too in the summer. And when you open this two strap, you will see this mid part will be open. And the back strap can be removed like this. And when you remove it, the shoes become the mule shape or the mule. So if you want it, you can wear it like this. And on the back part, it came up just a little bit so your heel doesn't get slipped when you walk. Yes. So the price of this quite expensive. You probably can find around $600. But I got this on the Japanese Mercari. Somebody was selling for 300-ish. So I bought this one and I'm really satisfied with this shoes. Nice design, round toes, like not that chunky. I really like this Mega Grip outsole. And usually this kind of shoes or the sandal, you can wear it with the socks. And I'll probably need to wear with the blue socks so I can kinda color match with the insole. For the sizing, there's no half size in these shoes. They only have a full size starting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, something like that. In Japanese, they only have small, medium, large, and extra large size. So this will be the medium size, which is US 9. And since there was no half size, I had to research a little bit. And I found one of the review in the Japanese website saying it came out a little bit larger than the actual like New Balance. So because of that, I usually wear US 9.5 or sometimes US 9. So I went to the US 9, which is true to size. And when I try it on, it fits perfect. I can adjust or my foot stays in the shoes. And let's say if you're US 9.5, something like that, then also you can adjust this strap or take the strap out and then wear it. And the lining is a suede, I just found out. I'll go put some on foot video at the end. If you want to get this, I'll probably wait till they get on the sale. This for the $600 is kind of too much. Maybe the reason why they're $600 because all leather and even lining is the suede leather. And also there's a two strap, has a magnet. I think that's why they're trying to make it expensive. All kind of material that they use is kind of high quality, like a vibram sole and all kind of stuff. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time, guys. Bye.